Thank you for calling America's First Federal Credit Union. Please listen carefully as our call options have changed.
Picked up a certified check, and now we are headed to America's First Credit Union to pay the truck off. Excited? Let's get there. Let's hand over some money, and in a couple weeks we'll receive the title to this truck. Last time pulling up in this gosh awful entrance, as you can see. It's terrible. Got old diesel boy climbing it. Can't see anything now. I'm literally going to use my phone. I can't see. I don't know where we're going. Where's the curb? All right. See, this is the craziness. This is why you don't have entrances like this. Last time coming up to this joint, there's people all over the place, but hey, there's no shame. We paying the truck off. I ain't even embarrassed at all, boy. They don't even know this is the last time coming up here. At least I'm not the worst parker in this parking lot, so that's good. But shoot, this is a big milestone, dude. See you later, truck payment. You won't be missed. I promise you that. Let's get in there and let's get it. All right, all donezo. Everything's good. It's funny, you have to have a $3 balance in an account to keep it. I was like, well, is there any reason why I should keep it? And they're like, no, you can set it back up for free. So I was like, all right, well, whatever. Cancel the account then. Gave me my $3. And we're done. So now the waiting game, who knows how long it'll be before they issue the title. Probably, I don't know, anywhere from 2 weeks to a month probably. But yeah, pumped, so pumped. So we're gonna get out of here, and then I'll catch back up with y'all whenever the title does come in. What's up, guys? So I guess it took like 3 weeks for this title to come. Hang on. We gotta. Little merge. Had to get up to speed. Zaxby's does not play with their largest, dude. Like, this is a gallon of sweet tea, and I am excited about it. So I am pretty excited to make this video for y'all, and I just wanted to come on here and talk with y'all because this is a big achievement for a lot of people. And this isn't a flex video unless you're one of those guys that run around in the high country and think you're better than everybody else, yet you still owe 35 grand on your 2016. I've had quite a few vehicles paid off. 2 5.0 Mustangs, my Tacoma, what else have I had? The Duramax, the Z06, C6 Z06. A lot of vehicles I've had paid off and stuff. My perspective on things is there's nothing wrong with having a car or truck payment. Some people look down on you or whatever the case. That's the stupidest thing ever. It's extremely normal for everyone to have car payments. Like my perspective, it's better to keep the money in the bank rather than having a title. Now, I know I'm jumping all over the place. It is really awesome to have a title to your vehicle, own it outright. You can do literally anything with it. Like, now I have my title. I could set this thing on fire if I felt like it. I could trade somebody for a 93 Crown Vic. I can get just liability driver's insurance on it. Like, if there's anything negative that I would want to do to this vehicle, I can now do it because I personally own it. So here's the here's the title. So here's our title. I can't show it to y'all because it has my information and stuff on it. I will say this: if you're a kid and your parents bought you a vehicle, and on top of that, if they pay for your gas and stuff, do not think that is huge. Like, if you're not every day grateful for that, you need to change your life. You obviously want to pay your vehicle off, and then you own it, and you don't have to pay anything. You just got insurance, and you can do whatever you want. You can enjoy it for the rest of your life, or you can trade it, sell it, do whatever. Like, it is really amazing and awesome, and I am super super grateful, because literally when I bought this truck, when I really started YouTube. I've made videos forever, but I was like, I'm gonna go buy this truck, I'm gonna start making videos, and I'm gonna get YouTube to pay for it. So thankfully I have been able to do that. YouTube has been very receptive of this truck, and we've had it for 3 years now almost, and y'all are still enjoying it. There's a million things I want to do, but I don't really know exactly what route I'm gonna go with this thing. Extremely happy today. About to go tear up some Zaxby's and know that, hey, my truck is mine. Even though I will say immediately pulling out of America's First, I didn't really film that much after that. I was like super sketchy, not super sketchy. I was sketched out by other vehicles because I was like, now literally all the money in this truck is my personal money. So if I wreck it, it's my personal problem rather than the bank's problem, because it's their money that owns it, if that makes sense. Yeah, this video is scattered all over the place, but anyways, I'm gonna grab some gas, eat my Zaxby's, might catch up with y'all in a little bit. First, fill them up with a paid off truck. That's what I'm talking about. As you see, the title was originally issued on 1/22/18. I bought it the last week of December of 17. 7 miles on that joint. Scale of 1 to 10, how drunk y'all think Larry's brother was when he parked right here? Going into buying this truck, which I'll be frank with y'all because I don't really plan on selling it. I have thought about it multiple times, and who knows, I might. I'm probably going to hold out to the next generation Silverado, even though the new F-150s do have some really good performance and some pretty sick technology, which I might swap over to F-150 from this. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, going to buy this truck, I found it online. It was exactly what I wanted. The other competitors couldn't compete for the price, at least in my area. So this is 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71 5.3 6-speed. It is All-Star Edition. My requirements when getting it was a full center console. That's basically all I cared about interior-wise, because you get the big screens and I think everything. And I wanted a Z71, even though looking back, I don't need a Z71. I could have very easily just gotten 4-wheel drive and probably saved a little bit more money. But basically they were giving Z71s with the All-Star package for the same price as anything else. So anyways, ended up getting this truck for $37,000, which I know there's gonna be people in the comments saying that's terrible, that's great, whatever, I don't care. That's what I got it for at the end of the day. I thought it was a really good deal. Still think it's a good deal. I mean, go look at new trucks now. You get like a XL F-150 for like 43, so yeah. So basically that's what I got the truck for. That's how long I've been paying for it. Almost 3 years, and now we've got her paid off. So I am super excited about this. So now the question is, what do you do with it? That's about gonna do it, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy. Thanks for everyone that does support me on the channel. A lot of content coming out. We'll see what 2021 brings. 2022 has been pretty good as far as YouTube goes. So once again, a genuine thank you to y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.